Sometimes life just feels confusing. You wake up, check your phone, scroll for a bit, and then you realize another day has already started, but you don't really feel excited about it. You are just existing. And deep down, that scares you. You don't even know what's missing, you just know something is. You look around and see people your age doing things, smiling, achieving, traveling, posting their perfect lives, and you start asking yourself quietly, what am I doing with my life? And the truth is, you are not alone. Almost everyone feels lost at some point, but we rarely talk about it because everyone's trying to look like they have it all figured out. But let me tell you something, feeling lost doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are growing. It means your old self doesn't fit you anymore, and your new self isn't fully formed yet. That space in between, that's the confusion you are feeling. You are in the middle of becoming. Think about it. When you were younger, things were simple. You go to school, you get good grades, you make friends, you play, you sleep, and then suddenly you grew up. And no one told you how to handle the silence that comes with adulthood. No one told you that one day you wake up and you will not know your purpose anymore. And that's okay because purpose isn't something you find, it's something you build step by step, day by day, and choice by choice. You feel lost right now because you are too focused on the bigger picture, on where you should be instead of appreciating where you are currently. And the truth is, life is not a race. You don't need to rush to catch up to anyone. You just need to start paying attention. Paying attention to what makes you feel alive, even if it's small. Paying attention to who makes you feel calm, even if it's just one person. Paying attention to moments when you smile without realizing. That's where your direction is hiding. And stop comparing your path to other people's because you are not behind. You are just on your chapter 3 while someone else might be on their chapter 20. You are not lost. Sometimes God slows you down because He knows you are heading in the wrong direction. Sometimes the silence you hate so much is exactly where your answers will appear. So if you are feeling lost, don't fight it. Sit with it, listen to it, let it teach you. Because one day you look back at this version of you, the confused version, the tired, the searching version of you, and you realize it was the most important season of your life. The reason where you stopped pretending to have it all figured out and started truly discovering who you are. So breathe. You don't have to have all the answers right now. You just need to take the next step, however small it is. Read that book, go on that walk, start the idea you keep overthinking over and over again. Message that friend. Do something that makes you feel a little less heavy because the truth is, you are not lost. You are just being guided to a version of you that you haven't met yet. And when you finally meet that version, you will understand why everything had to happen the way it did. If this video made you feel a little lighter or reminded you that you are not alone, then maybe it's a sign you should stay. Because I make videos like this for people who are still figuring life out, one day at a time. So if you ever need a voice to keep you grounded, hit that subscribe button and come walk this journey with me.